So right now, we have our first look related to the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So first, let's talk about the launch date of the Pixel 9 series. According to the Google Pixel 9 is launched on 13th of August, and here, name is Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And according to the rumors, Pixel 9 come in a 4 different version. And right now, we have the trailer of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and this trailer show a good look of the phone. It show us that Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold come in large and taller cover display, and it shows us thinner bezels on the inside folding display. And according to the Android authorities, Google confirms that the outer display of the phone is 6.24 inch with 120 Hz display. Fresh rate and the resolution of the display is 1080 by 2424, and this gives us 425 pixels, and Google Pixel 9 come with 1800 nits of peak brightness. And inside the display, we have 8-inch foldable display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and the resolution of this display is 2152 by 2076, and the inner display have a 1600 nits of peaks brightness. So I'm sure the Pixel 9 Fold is going to be even better and with a bigger, brighter display. Now, let's talk about the colors. According to the rumors, Pixel 9 Pro Fold come in white and black, and some source say Pixel 9 Pro come in orange and blue, and we've got a metallic frame that also extends to a small part of the rear, but we've then got a separate rear panel as well. And the camera module is different from the Pixel 8. It's now lunched up into the top corner of the panel. Then on the front, we've got a slightly different shape to the display, but it's now making the most of that space available. Now let's talk about the price of the phone. According to the source, the launching price of the Pixel 9 Pro is $1,799. And if we compare Pixel 9 with the Pixel 8, so we've got a larger form factor, we got a slightly higher resolution for the displays in the Pixel 9 Pro. And if we're talking about the chipset, Pixel 9 Fold come with G4 Tensor chipset, and Pixel 9 Fold come with many AI features. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.